Are you wondering how much money YouTubers make? The answer is, it depends. In this video, we'll explore some of the factors that influence how much money YouTubers can make and provide some concrete examples and numbers to give you a better idea. First, let's talk about ads. One way that YouTubers can make money is through ads that play before, during, or after their videos. YouTube takes a percentage of the revenue generated from these ads, and the rest goes to the YouTuber. The amount of money a YouTuber can make from ads depends on how many views they get and how much advertisers are willing to pay for their ad space. According to Advertiser Perceptions, the average cost per thousand CPM impressions for YouTube ads in the United States is $12.71. This means that if a YouTuber gets 100,000 views on a video with a $12.71 CPM, they would make $127.10 from ads. Of course, this is just an average, and actual CPMs can vary greatly depending on the content and audience of the video. Another way that YouTubers can make money is through sponsorships and partnerships with brands. These can be in the form of sponsored videos, product placements, or affiliate marketing. The amount of money a YouTuber can make from sponsorships and partnerships depends on the terms of the agreement and the size of their audience. For example, a YouTuber with 500,000 subscribers might be able to charge a brand $2,000 for a sponsored video, while a YouTuber with 50,000 subscribers might only be able to charge $500 for the same video. It's worth noting that making money on YouTube is not easy and can require a lot of hard work and dedication. Many YouTubers have to put in a significant amount of time and effort to grow their channel and generate income from it. It's also important to keep in mind that success on YouTube is not guaranteed and that it may take time and effort to see results. However, with hard work and dedication, it is possible for YouTubers to make a full-time income or even more from their channel. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. I'll see you in the next one.